see it? Yes, you can. Absolute. But they know strategy dancer change so badly. Alright, now I'm doing reggae rhythm and blues. Yeah, they call it Irish Jamboree. Strategy dancers. Right now, you see what we are doing right now? Check it out. Check out the start. Portland adventure to the world. How we say globalized? To the world. Open eyes. Can you see? Better yet, you know we have things like what Portland Adventure official straight from Jamaica. Official from out of Portland. You have Boston Raya Grande. You have Frenchman Cove. You have Port Antonio. Reach Falls. You have Reach Falls tonight. Everything that is just nice. The people them love it right now in the street. You know the people them love it. And right now today I'm with the management, as you know.
So wake up.
So you know what it is.
Portland Adventure. Wake up people. Everything that is hard right now.
Yeah, wake up, it's Portland Adventure. Right now we're there, reggae rhythm and blues in Roy Wilkin Park, New York City. Queens, yes, Queens there. Roy Wilkin Park. Yeah man, strategist dancers again. Big up everybody on the Facebook. Big up everybody from MySpace. Big up everybody from YouTube. Big up all dancers all over the world. Dancing, we used to dance to the foot bottom, rub out. We have chat line on the website, you know, so just make sure when you go up on the website you can even chat. We have chat line, you can talk with the dancers them live. You see it? So when you check out www.sgedancers.com, after 9 o'clock you can talk to it, you know, strategy. We make it available all the way. Good fans them and special friends them, so we can have a live conversation with us, you know, in the night time. So just check out the website, alright?